Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today's video we are unboxing, a little late, the Ipsy Extra box from Ipsy. That's my doing. I've had it. They had it to me weeks ago. If you guys don't know, well, first and foremost, if you're new here, hi, hello, and welcome. My name is Rhonda, and I am in school full-time for functional medicine, and I work full-time. So I'm a little crazy, alright? I'm busy on all socials here, and then of course Hotmess Momma vlogs, fashion content, and when I have a chance, Hotmess in the house for health and wellness content, and of course you can find me on TikTok and Instagram. So my apologies to Ipsy for being delayed on getting the March unboxing up for you all. They did send this over to me in PR to unbox and to review for you all, and of course I don't have to give it a glowing review. I give it an honest review, and that's pretty much why you all are here. So I haven't had time to put my press-ons on, so I don't want to hear about it in the comment section, okay? Alright, so let's go ahead and jump on in. Okay, so you guys know me, I'm a packaging junkie. There is no foam, there's only dunnage. But they did change the box up. The inside says beauty is more fun here at Ipsy. Now, if you've never heard of Ipsy, okay, girl, I don't believe you. But if you have never heard of Ipsy, Ipsy is a monthly subscription. Now, they do offer quarterly boxes as well, where you get to choose more things in there. This particular box, you are going to get to curate like 3 out of the 5 items. Ipsy is going to curate the other items for you. You can choose this to be very makeup heavy or skincare heavy, all by taking the quiz that Ipsy does offer. Now, because this was sent to me in PR, I did not choose any of that. It's you get what you get and you don't throw a fit. And I'm not going to. But we are going to discuss the brands we are seeing in this box and how this particular box was curated for me. Alright, starting off, we do get a pamphlet. Now, back in the day, we used to get a card, which low-key, I'm old school. I still enjoy the card. I still miss a little snippet about the item, the price, all of that. First thing I see in here is by Paul Mitchell, Clean Beauty 93% Natural Origin Heat Styling Spray. Alright, I just don't think you can ever go wrong with a heat protectant on your hair. I am very much obsessed with my hair. If you guys have followed me for a while, I have very much spoke on the 2014 debacle of Hairageddon for me, where my hair was literally fried and burnt off. But I digress. I'm not going to dwell on it. I have for over a decade. So I very much baby my hair. I very much do. So I do like that I did receive a heat protectant in here. I will definitely use it out of curiosity. What's it smell like? Oh, it smells good. Honestly, it reminds me of Kenra. One of Kenra's heat protectant scents. So I do like that. Next in here, this is by, is it Sela or Clea? This is a Glacier Clay Mask. Oh my gosh. Alright, of course you do receive, I did forget to tell you all, you do receive full-size products in this particular box. Let me just tell you, my favorite, this is not a clay mask that I'm about to talk to you guys about. Listen, your girl hasn't been on here for a hot minute, alright? Queen talk a lot over here. I may or may not be for you, and that's okay. What I will say is I love my Kate exfoliator. When I tell you, what my bestie, we were talking about Rachel Zoe. Yeah, we were talking about Rachel Zoe, and I started watching the Rachel Zoe project, whatever it is, from like 2008. Rhonda was too poor to be able to afford cable back in the day, so I'm making up for it and watching all old school. And yeah, we were chit-chatting about it, and I'm all about watching the Rachel Zoe project. And so with that said, I was soaking in the bathtub, relaxing with my exfoliate on, and left it on a little bit longer than the 2 minutes it should have been on. Yeah, so that stuff works good. It freaking burned half my face off. My skin is still, it's a whole situation. And of course, you know, my other besties over here going, girl, you done damaged your skin barrier how many times? Listen, ma'am, you know this is something I'm going to do every couple years. Like the last time Johnny was like, Rhonda, you know better. I'm like, I do know better. But the ADHD gets the best of me and I get sidetracked. I don't know what to tell you, ma'am. Alright, let's move on. This is Pure Greek Olive Body Cream Honey Pear by Kors. Alright, I'm down for that. I am down for a good body lotion. Hopefully I like the ingredients. One thing that has really messed me up since getting back into school is I've become an ingredient junkie. And it's really messing with me because some things that I truly used to love, I'm just like, that has soybean oil in it or whatever. And I'm like, oh my God. So, you know, it's going to have to be a give or take. I'm just going to have to just chill out, you know. So, anyways, Coors was something that I definitely do enjoy. I know fragrance is not great for your body. I know that. But listen, it could be worse, right? It could be worse. Oh, what is that throwing me back to? That is a scent from my childhood. Myrtle Beach, 1989, baby. Sunscreen. We didn't use it very often. Matter of fact, we did not use sunscreen very often. But when we did, I swear to you, this is what my sunscreen smelled like. And I love it. Fun fact, I really never burnt, but maybe one time as a kid in Panama City. Alright, nobody cares. Yeah, this honey cream, like if this is on sale, you find this on sale in any of the 21 days or any of the Sephora doohickeys, or Ipsy happens to have it, this is what I could see myself stocking up on. It is delicious. Alright, next in here we have the Bare Minerals Mineralist Dewy Lip Gloss Balm in the shade Soul. And it's very pinky as far as that goes, as far as the shade, which, looky, I don't know what my deal is. You guys know I'm very nudie, but I'm loving a very pinky lip currently. Like right now I have on, hold on, what is it called? It's from Ofra Cosmetics. It is just the lip liner in the shade Glacier Pink, and then I take Butterfly Kisses, which is my lip gloss with Ofra, and just put it over there, and that's my lippy. Oh, this is pretty. Not much of a scent. Really nice and light. Okay, it's very sheer. Here's the shade. Very pretty. Honestly, it's a little bit more rosy than I was expecting, but I do like the consistency of it. I do like how it feels. Definitely hydrating. Very much my kind of my cup of tea. Alright? Oh, stress got me and I didn't sleep good last night. I gotta nip that right in the butt. I'll tell you what. Next in here is by COSRX, or Course. No, I'm going to call it COSRX. Advanced Snail Mucin. This was like huge. This was popping years ago. And that's the thing with TikTok. TikTok brings everything back. And this is pretty popular. And I tell you what, with this day and age of my dry-ish skin, with the crazy Kentucky weather, I can use things like this. So anyways, that is everything in the March box that I did receive. Now, am I late to the game? Yes, yes, yes. I know. Okay. The only thing I'm not honestly like over the top excited for is the clay mask. That's on me because I fried my face with the Kate Exfoliate stuff. Kate Somerville is what it actually is. In all honesty, I really do like clay masks, especially in my T-zone. I've always, since I was a kid, dealt with very congested pores in that area. So it is something that I will most definitely use, especially going into the summertime, using more and more sunscreen and being out in the sun, getting more and more sweaty. Clay masks are a good thing. Overall, my thoughts on the box, you know, honestly, I do like it. I do like that it's body, it's hair, it's skin. I got the balm. This box was definitely curated more so for me. You guys know me, when it comes to eyeshadow palettes, there is literally one eyeshadow palette that I use on the regular. And that would be right here, the Unconditional palette, which is currently 35% off at Ofra Cosmetics. Yeah, you don't even need a coupon code for it. So, but for me, I'm happy when I'm not getting eyeshadow palettes in here. And other than that, normally there's something that I could offer and say, hey, I wish you guys would have given me XYZ. But for me, this box actually worked out really well. So it's not going to be everybody's cup of tea, but that's the beauty of the subscription, is you do get to customize a few of the items in here. The other thing that Ipsy offers is you can go in there and shop as well. So you're going to go in there starting April 1st and you're going to get to make your picks for April. So if that is something you're interested in, I do have an affiliate link with Ipsy that I will link for you guys down below. Don't feel like you have to use it. If you want to sign up and not use it, that's fine. You do you, boo-boo bear, all right? I just like to tell you about it. Anyways, I think I'm going to actually hop off and go make an espresso. My husband got an espresso machine for us for Christmas. I say for us because it was my gift. But when I tell you this man has now went and repurchased another one for our camper for when we start camping, because he's that into an espresso maker. And I'm not going to lie, it is pretty doggone good, all right? It is pretty doggone good, but this man goes to sleep dreaming about his Nespresso in the morning. Listen, I'm just excited over the Chobani birthday cake creamer that I picked up from Whole Foods the other day. So that's all I'm looking forward to because I'm about to make a protein coffee. All right, friends, Queen of Rambles is done with today's video. I'm going to hop off because speaking of Ofra Cosmetics, they have that huge spring sale going on currently. And they also have their mystery bundle box available as part of that 35% off site-wide deal that is only going on until the 26th of March. So you know what I'm going to do. I'm going to unbox a box for you guys and give you some of my picks that you ought to look into stocking up on the spring. You know, you think that I'd be rusty, but I feel like the chats are back, y'all. Anyways, if you like my top, it's actually from a local little boutique, not terribly far from me. It's called Willow Boutique. It's based out of Cincinnati, Ohio, and I am loving their little Woodstock wrap style top. Very nice and comfortable, perfect for the wackadoodle weather we are currently having, and it does come in other colors. I will drop the link to this down below. I'll tag it if I can. Anyways, thank you all so much for being here. I greatly appreciate those of you that stick around and watch the content that I put up over here. Like I said, you can check me out over on my other channels, Hotmess Momma Vlogs, Hotmess in the House, TikTok, LTK, and Instagram at HotmessMomma4. Until next time, friends, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye. I have got to get my nails back. I feel like nubby. Like when I'm typing now, I'm like, except when I'm texting. When I'm texting, I feel like I can't hit the keyboard right. Alright, y'all have a good one now.
I feel like breaking rules on the edge, looking out with no parachute. You know I'm dreaming about us too.